In today's world, self-care has become a buzzword, often associated with luxurious bubble baths, expensive spa treatments, and endless hours of binge watching. While these activities can be enjoyable and contribute to well-being, they only paint a partial picture of true self-care. There's a crucial distinction between self-love and self-coddling, and it's essential to understand the difference. While both involve prioritizing your own needs and happiness, they do so in vastly different ways. Self-love is about nourishing your mind, body, and soul in a way that fosters growth and helps you become the best version of yourself. It's about taking care of your physical and emotional health, setting healthy boundaries, and saying no to things that drain you. Self-coddling, on the other hand, is about indulging in temporary pleasures and avoiding anything that feels uncomfortable or challenging. It's about prioritizing immediate gratification over long-term growth and happiness. Here are 5 signs to help you distinguish between self-love and self-coddling. 1. Aversion to challenges, unraveling the comfort zone. Consider this scenario. Your crush invites you on a hiking date, and while thrilled, you decline because you lean towards indoor activities. At first glance, this might seem like an act of self-love, preserving your social energy for a cozy night in. However, this aversion to challenges is a classic self-coddling move. According to self-help content creator Catalitho, excessively sticking to what's comfortable perpetuates the notion of a lack of self-trust. Genuine self-love involves pushing your boundaries, embracing challenges, and proving to yourself that even if things don't go perfectly, you'll emerge stronger. By declining the hiking date, you may miss out on potential growth, shared experiences, and the opportunity to strengthen your connection with your crush. 2. Denying flaws, embracing imperfections. Self-love goes beyond celebrating your strengths. It involves accepting your flaws and actively working on them. If you find yourself vehemently defending your actions and avoiding acknowledgement of any potential mistakes, you might be veering into self-coddling territory. Authentic self-love requires introspection and the courage to confront areas where you can improve. Mary's defense mechanism in the film Persuasion, where she claims excessive kindness as her problem, is a classic example. It's crucial to recognize that self-love encompasses both your virtues and areas where growth is needed. Denying flaws hinders this holistic approach to self-compassion. 3. Low self-esteem roots. Tracing the origins. The roots of self-coddling often extend to childhood experiences, specifically how parents or caregivers handled challenges. Neuroscientist David Rock emphasizes that children develop self-esteem by navigating difficulties and being recognized for their capabilities. If parents consistently remove obstacles, a child may grow up feeling incapable of handling challenges independently. This, in turn, leads to self-coddling in adulthood. If you find yourself overwhelmed at the mere thought of facing obstacles, it may be a consequence of conditioned beliefs about your ability to tackle difficulties. Understanding these roots is essential for breaking free from the cycle of self-coddling and fostering a healthier self-esteem. 4. Low self-esteem roots. Tracing. Self-coddling to childhood. Self-coddling often finds its roots in childhood experiences, particularly in how parents or caregivers approach challenges. According to David Rock, an expert in the neuroscience of leadership, children develop self-esteem by engaging in difficult tasks and being recognized for their capabilities. When parents excessively remove challenges, it sends a message that the child can't handle difficulties independently. This constant over-involvement might result in a belief that one is incapable of dealing with life's obstacles, contributing to long-term consequences such as low self-esteem. Individuals raised in this manner may feel overwhelmed by the mere thought of facing challenges, having been conditioned to doubt their ability to handle them autonomously. 5. Entitlement issues, from helicopter parenting to self-coddling. The term helicopter parenting describes parents who hover over their children, catering to their every need and shielding them from potential discomfort. While these parents often believe they are acting in their child's best interest, the unintended consequence can be a sense of entitlement. This entitlement mindset, cultivated in childhood, can persist into adulthood, manifesting as self-coddling behavior. Adults who were overprotected might constantly seek external validation, support, and comfort, lacking the opportunity to develop crucial life skills independently. The cycle of seeking comfort externally, established in childhood, can continue into adulthood, hindering personal growth and resilience. Breaking free from this cycle involves recognizing the importance of facing challenges and building internal strength. Remember, self-love isn't always about what's easy, it's about what's worth it. Understanding these signs can help you navigate the fine line between genuine self-love and the counterproductive habit of self-coddling. Prioritize your mental well-being and embrace the growth that comes with facing challenges. You're always worth it. If you found this insight helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.